Hi and welcome to WEH Videos. My name is Skip, and this is a very short video to show you a gift that I got that I get to give to you. And this is the airplane that I have been using for all of my videos for an awful long time. This is the Cessna 172N from xhanger.com. Now, the reason this is a gift is somebody left a comment saying that they could no longer download this airplane from Xhanger. And if you go to their website, you're going to get this message. So for now, their store is officially closed. But their airplanes are still available at the xplane.org store. However, this 172N is not going to be available, and it's not going to be available for some time. He's doing a completely remodel of this airplane, and I don't know what that's going to be like at the end. So why is this important to you? Well, he gave me this airplane to do with whatever I want, and I'm allowed to give it to you so you can follow along in the videos, if you like, with the same airplane that I use. They watched a couple of my videos, and so they gave us this airplane. And this is really, really generous. So I'm going to push Xhanger. I have no financial arrangements with them at all. This was a free airplane that they gave me, and they allow me to give it to you. So if you're looking for other aircraft, I suggest you go to xplane.org and look under Xhanger and support them if you can. They've been very generous to WEH Videos. And now this airplane, this wonderful 172 that I've been using for a long time, will be free to you, and it'll be on my website. And here's a picture of what you'll get now when you download this from me, and I will also include the original airplane that they gave me, so I can change this any way I want and make it available. This is the airplane that you would have been able to buy just a couple of days ago from xhanger.com, but it's now no longer available from them. But again, you get it for free from me. So there's a link in the description here of where you can download this, and I'll have both versions. I'll have this version here and my version that I've created here. And as I come up with new panels and new exteriors, I will make those available also on my website. And I just want to show you why this is so special to me. This is the original Cessna 172N November 84 Delta Lima, affectionately known as Dog Lips. This is the plane I fly in real life, and as you can compare these two pictures here, you can see that this wonderful free airplane they're giving us is very similar to the airplane that I really love to fly when I get a chance to fly. So that's all I have to say about this wonderful gift. I hope you guys really appreciate Xhanger for offering this for free so you can follow along with my training videos on how to become a pilot for beginners. This is really, really generous. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please click the like button, and please support Xhanger at the xplane.org store. They've been very generous. So thanks again for watching, and God bless.